Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally doing the axle swap.
Oh, finally?
Finally.
Jesus.
So we are putting in a Dana 44 into my Jeep. It's locked and geared for 456. So we should be running better with the 33s once we do the axle swap. We have both the rear and the front. And if you guys didn't know, we started up a Discord. That way you guys can get help, show off your Jeeps, things like that. We already have members in there, so go check it out. It'll be linked down below. Now, let's get started with the video.
Yeah, record this. Show them how crooked your spring is.
It's not crooked.
Look at it.
It's not, it looks straight to me.
Dude, this off the cap.
Shut up, it looks straight to me. We already took off the wheels, put on jack stands, chucks, all that. So we're safe. We're gonna start taking everything off.
Guys, what's that?
It looks like the spring is off.
Oh my god.
It's all right, it's been running fine.
No wonder.
So let's go ahead and remove everything and get the new axle in. So the axle is out, time to put the new one in. We just gotta slide this one out and slide the new one in. Don't touch me. Time to put the axle in. It's already sealed up, ready to go, just needs some oil. I want to give a huge shout out to John for fixing the axle. He replaced the gears, did all the bearings that came in the kit, so we are good to go here. Just got to put some oil in it.
Yeah, we're not professionals yet.
We're not professionals, we can't do that yet, but let's go ahead and throw this in and we should be good. So we got everything in there, all bolted up. We did put pressure on the axle, like as if it were, you know, at ride height to tighten everything up. So we are good to go now. We're gonna try it at no, we're not gonna try it out. We gotta put oil in it. All right, sorry for the loud bike, but we got this pump from AutoZone, and we got, let me see the oil. We got Valvoline 80 W90. They didn't have 75 W90, so we're just going with 80.
We're sanding it.
It should be fine. So I'm gonna stick this side in, and Chris is gonna pump it. I already took this piece off, and we are in the driveway, so we're gonna fill it up now, so we can drive it on a straight road, and then fill it up the rest of the way. Let's see. You got the wrong side. So we got the rear full of oil, so let's go test it out. If you guys didn't know, I've had a low coolant sign for a while, so we're gonna fill it up finally. I guess it is a little low. And we got the Mopar Special right there.
Oh wait, hold on.
Sheesh. Shout out to Boosted Motorsports for this coolant. I guess I was really low, huh?
Did you guys notice I didn't spill?
Right. That's good. Good job, Chris. Go give this guy a follow on Instagram for that.
Thank you, thank you. I'll reply at 2 a.m. too.
You ready? You ready to test it out?
Alright, let's see it. Alright, cue the video of the axle the first time we installed it. Right here.
Alright, let's try it again. And also, I took off the rear sway bar, so right now we don't have front or rear.
Perfect.
So let's see how this drives.
Alright, that's bubble. Here we go.
Actually, pump the brakes first. E-brake. E-brake works again. Does feel like it has more torque. This is my first time driving a Jeep with a locker too, so pretty interesting. No clunks this time, Chris. We were clunking already last time. Alright, no sway bars. No clicking either on the turn. Should we go on the dirt?
I mean,
We should go on the dirt.
is that even a question?
Let's go check it out. So far, so good. I did take a turn really hard on the asphalt, and I definitely felt the wheel spin a little bit, but no noise. This is how it was before. And right now we're gonna hit those sand pits right there and see how it does. I don't have four-wheel drive right now, so hopefully we don't get stuck. I think with the locker we should be fine though. I'm gonna go slow right here. I don't know, that felt still a little sketchy. What do you think? I don't feel comfortable going over there. If I had four-wheel drive, I definitely would go, but I don't know. That already, I mean, it went through, but it felt a little sketchy.
Okay.
I've never gone this high. Let me see the camera. Okay, this is if you're looking straight. Look how Chris is. I've never been up this hill like this. Nah, no way, not in two-wheel drive. This is pretty nuts.
Hey, your washer fluid's low.
Hey, look at that. Oh, it made it up in two-wheel drive.
Damn. Hey, Jeep's over Tacomas, right? Am I right?
Jeep's over Tacomas, man. We're gonna have to do a video with the Gooner, his Tacoma versus my Jeep. Let's do it.
What about my Jeep? It won't make it up this now.
We'll do all three. So I've been driving the Jeep with the axle for about maybe a month, I would say. We still haven't done the front. You can drive your Jeep if it has two different gears, as long as the front drive shaft is disconnected. You don't want to put it in four-wheel drive if you have mismatched axles, but you can drive it in two-wheel drive, which is what I have my Jeep in, and I don't have the front drive shaft connected either way, so it is good to go. Having a locker and gears does make the Jeep feel different. So I do feel like the get up and go isn't that great, but on the highway, it's able to get up to speed and stay there pretty easily with the 4.0. It feels comfortable on the freeway. Having the 456 over the stock gears did bring my gas mileage down. One thing that I did fix on my Jeep are the vacuum lines. I just use regular like rubber hose type of thing because you can't find the vacuum lines, and I'm talking about the ones on the manifold. I replaced those with the old axle, so it was about 10.3-ish. Once I replaced the axle, I got down to like 9.3. Once I replaced the lines, back up to 10.3. So we are doing okay, not okay on the gas mileage, but better. Going up a hill, I do notice you have to give it more gas, but it's not a big deal. The locker makes a huge difference. I did not know, never been in a Jeep with a locker where I've driven it, and you automatically feel the difference. In two-wheel drive, I was able to go up that hill that usually I don't. I have to usually put it in four-wheel drive all the time to make it up that hill, so that was pretty cool. We are still gonna do more tests, but I did find out that the axle shaft bearings weren't replaced. It wasn't part of the kit, so I'm gonna be doing those myself. And then on the front axle, we still have to replace the wheel bearings. We're gonna do the ball joints and also weld on the track bar mount for the Trailforged over the axle steering. So I need to weld that in. I think I'm gonna try to do it myself and see how it comes out. That's pretty much it. So we still have to do the front. That'll be done pretty soon. I'm trying to get this Jeep solid already, man. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. So here we have the locked and geared axle at the top and the stock one on the bottom. And as you can tell, it started off first on the locked one, and then afterwards the stock one kept creeping up and it ended up passing the locked one. What does that mean? I don't know, but I thought I should show you the 0 to 60 on both. So we are at 60